coughing. Y'all hear all that coughing? Son, we gotta get rid of that. Let me show y'all. So y'all get y'all lemon right. Get your knife and start poking them little holes in, get that juice moving and flowing. Then you can use some salt, right? Get a little table salt, sea salt. I recommend sea salt though. Sea salt work better. And you get you some pure honey. It got to be pure, straight from that bed nest. Go on and snatch that goddamn honey up. You use that honey, right? Pour it right on over this, drizzle it right on top. It ain't gotta be perfect, but just make sure you smear a good bit on there. Then you put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2. Just 2. Look how fast it's going by. Look at that. Look. Take that thing out. It's gonna be bubbling now. Watch your hands now. Watch your hands. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be real hot. Start getting all the juice out of it. Get that juice out. Get all that juice out. Get that pulp out there too. Pulp real good for you. Stir it up. Mix it up. Go on and give it to him. Give it to him. But y'all already know his face is gonna be chewed up because it's a lemon. It's kind of sour. Then you adding more salt to it. But the honey is supposed to, the honey's supposed to make it stick to your throat. It's supposed to coat it. But hey, he ain't been a fan of it. But hey, I made his ass turk all of it. Drink all of it. Drink it. You said, come on, man. You said, come on, give it to me. Give it to me.